Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. And today we are making the trendy avocado toast.
Tell us how it is, Mama.
So yeah, you're gonna get some avocado on this toast. And but you're also gonna get some cream cheese, some strawberries, and you're gonna get some feta cheese, but some marinade feta cheese that actually it's marinated with tomato and basil. Okay? And we have some dried apricot, and we have another fruit of the month, vinegar. But ours is gonna be balsamic glaze vinegar. That's what we have. And a healthy little treat for you guys. Of course, we gotta have our children on deck here always, which is
Himalayan salt and our pepper.
That's right. And I'm hoping that the avocado will be nice and good.
Oh,
We're gonna say a little prayer before.
Yes. And
our treat here, healthy super treat. So we have here our hemp hearts, our chia seeds, however you want to call it. I call it chai, and our flax seed. And this is called a trilogy mix. And this is what we have here. And so we're going to add this as well to get that extra fiber along with our multigrain bread, which also has a lot of fiber in it. So Ian's ready in prayer for us because we're not sure what we're going to get from this avocado, because today it could be good and it could look beautiful on the outside. It would smell kind of ripe, and inside could not be so great. Now, it just means not presentable to you, but we can still eat it behind the scenes. We can use it for a facial mask. We can use it for a hair mask. We can do a lot of things with the imperfection of the avocado, but it just may not be as beautifully appealing to you. We don't know yet. So I wish you're good.
Going back into my prayers.
I hope you're good. I hope you're good. Keep praying, E. I'm going to open up. I'm going to cut. And I have this neat little tool here that I totally love that helps. It's a non-serrated blade. And so we're going to cut our avocado with it. Okay, so I already kind of have mine and yours here, but I want to show the people how to do it. So we take some of our cream cheese, and this is the soft cream cheese, and you're just going to spread it like you would spread anything. Your peanut butter, your mayo, your almond butter. So I actually sprinkled some apricot first, dried apricot. Added some of my dry apricot. Just all over here. Okay. Get that little sweetness. And then Ian, I did add a little bit of black pepper.
Black pepper.
A little pinch of love.
What about another pinch of the other love?
A little pinch of the Himalayan salt, love. Okay. And then I went over to my friend Strawberry. I said, Strawberry, come join us. So we do have the avocado right here, if you can see the creamy, and on Ian's. But we did have a little bit of a mishap with our strawberry, so that's why you don't see any more of it.
Avocado.
Like Ian said, avocado.
Yes.
That's what I meant to say.
Yeah, I know.
That's what's great to have a pal like Ian.
Oh, thank you.
Just put a little bit of feta here. You're probably like, feta with strawberry?
Oh, yes.
But again, we're all about different here, right?
That's it.
So this could be a great breakfast, a great midday snack for you. Get your protein, get your fruit here. And you're going to get your fiber on. Yes.
Of course.
So I sprinkled some of my trilogy mix. I want to make sure I have enough of that going on here. And then we did some of our balsamic glaze. Some of our glaze.
I like the way you do that with the fork.
Oh, thank you, Ian.
Yes.
And then now that you know how to do that, and if you have an avocado, you have a slice put like that, like Ian has it. This slice here has 3 underneath. So again, it's about decorating it how you feel, but then you encompass all your fruits and your vegetables in here. And Ian can't eat, so he's gonna look. He's going to
look and cry.
Look and cry. And I'm going to take a bite for you guys.
Yes.
Look at our delicious and nutritious strawberry avocado toast. And let you know the goodness here. Woo!
You must have some real exotic flavors in there.
It was really good, you know.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Thanks,
that
Mom.
kick of the balsamic vinegar. Got a little kick of the black pepper.
Yeah.
The sweetness and the coolness from the strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
Because strawberry is really juicy.
Yeah.
So, and by the way, guys, if you ever have anything hot that you're eating, the best way to kind of tone down the heat is to eat something sweet or drink milk. And so I had a little black pepper kick, and the sweetness of the strawberry and the juiciness of it kind of cooled down that palate. Take another bite. That balsamic glaze gives you a nice little kick. And the multigrain bread is so healthy for you. Has a lot of fiber content in it. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets us know that you are enjoying what we're doing for you. And it makes us want to go back to the drawing board and create more and more for you. And remember, cooking is not hard. It just takes love, passion, and patience. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video. And Ian,
be part of the family.
Come back and hang with us again. We thank you for hanging out with us today
and
eating with us virtually. Well, we ate physically, but you can eat physically too if you do this.
I'm eating virtually today.
Yeah,
too.
he's eating virtually today.
I'm right there with you. I'm right there with the people.
We love you guys, and we appreciate you hanging out with us. Come back and hang out with us again. Love you.